Hey everyone! This is another special crossover. Meet Sprunki 1x1x1x1, inspired by the legendary Roblox character. In this video, I'll show how he looks and what makes him so dangerous. And by the way, I hid a few Sprunki characters throughout the video. If you spot them, count how many you saw and write it in the comments. At first glance, he looks dark and glitchy. A black, shadow-like body, glowing red eyes, and a sharp, angry grin that never disappears. His stare feels aggressive, like he knows something you don't. On his head, he wears a green, blocky crown that looks like it was built from corrupted code. His chest glows neon green, marked with strange symbols, like a cursed system core barely holding together. And the most important detail? Behind his back, he carries 2 swords. In the video, he spins them constantly, turning them around his body with perfect control. Every slash cuts through the air exactly on beat, like the blades themselves are part of the music. In the Sprunki universe, 1x1x1x1 is known as the glitch blade. His music is fast, aggressive, and unstable. Heavy bass hits, sharp drops, and sudden breaks, like the track could crash at any second. He doesn't dance for fun. Every sword spin is synced to the rhythm, like a battle choreographed by sound. Legend says he was created when a corrupted Roblox entity merged with a Sprunki rhythm file. The system tried to erase him, but instead, he learned how to control the glitch and turn it into music. When he joins a track, everything speeds up, tension rises, and the beat starts to feel dangerous. So yeah, this is Sprunki 1x1x1x1. Spinning blades, glitch energy, and music that feels less like a song and more like a boss fight.